Hello student. So let's start our discussion. In previous tutorial we have discussed various operations of list. So in this tutorial we will discuss what is slicing. Okay, so let us start our discussion. So let me name the file. So to see the slicing we have to create an list. Let me give the name L1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Here just for reference we have taken one list, okay, and list contain all, and you can say integers. While you are working on slicing, you are using list, then you can take any type of variable or any type of data into the list. It can be mixed or it can be unique data. Unique data means all are having same data type. Likewise, so let's start our discussion. What is slicing? Slicing means certain portion of list. So let's say I want to retrieve the portion of this list starting from 3 to 7. So let's see what is the index. 0 1 2. It should start with 2 and it should end up to 3 4 5 6 and 7. So it should end at 7. So here while we are working on slicing, you have to remember that the upper range, it is non-inclusive, means it won't be included into the slice. So let me show you one example. Let's say we want to store it into list 2. List 2 equals to list 1. From where we want to start? 0 up to where we want to go, sorry, not 0, but we want to start with the 0 1 and 2, and up to where we want to go? 7. So 8 will be the higher boundary or upper boundary. It is non-inclusive, and by default step size is 1. Okay, so one element will be selected, and then we will print L2. Okay, so this is what we are getting in output. Now let's say that we want to select alternate number in between range. Okay, so here we will increase the step size. So let me write this same code 2 times so we can differentiate the output. 2. So let us execute. Yes, here you can see how many elements we are getting for this statement. We are getting 6 elements, 3 4 5 6 7 8, while here we will get only 3 elements. So it will start with 3, then instead of selecting 4 it will select 5, then instead of selecting 6 it will select 7. Similarly, if we are going with 3 step, okay, then we will get only 2 element, 3, then 4 5 will be skipped, again third element 6 7 8 will be skipped, and there is no further element, so it will show only 3 and 6. Here how it will be specified in slicing, how argument will be specified in slicing. Okay, first argument will be starting index, second argument will be ending index, third argument will be step. Here third argument is very interesting. So let's see variations of slice. So how different method can be used to slice a certain portion of list. So we will take another list L3 and we will use same list. I want first 6 element of the list. Okay, so simply write colon, then element up to 6 and step size nothing. Okay, so by default if we will not specify anything into the step, then it will take 1, and then we will print list 3. Okay, you can see that we have specified only stop index or ending index. Clear? Similarly, we can specify only starting index. Let's say I want all the element starting from 7th index. So L3 equals to L1. Now I want element from 7th index and all the element. Then print L3. As you can see, it is started from index 7, means element number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way it will go. Now again, let's print L1 for further use. Now what if you want to print element from end? So that also possible in list. Let's see how. L3 equals to L1, nothing starting, nothing stop, and here index will be step will be -1, so it will print entire list into reverse order. Okay, so here without assigning we can also directly print it. So let's go with it. Okay, as you can see, if you specify -1, then it will start the print, it will start the list from end. So 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, likewise. Okay, here is our original list. Let's say you want alternate number from end, okay, in reverse order. So what we will write? Colon colon -2. Yes, here you can see 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So this way you can slice the number or you can select the number. Let's see another example. Let's say this is our list 1. I want all the number starting from 1 to 8 in reverse order. Okay, in reverse order. Be specific, listen carefully, in reverse order. So print L1. Okay, here you can also assign this value to other list, but we will directly print it. From where we want to start? Index 8. Where we want to go? Up to first element. And what will be the step size? -1. As you can see, so it will start with the 8. So element number index 8. So element number 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's say if from this list index number 8 to index number 1 you want in reverse order but alternate element. Okay, means one will be selected, another won't be selected. So same thing will be there, but step size will be increased. So -2. As you can see, 9, then 8 will be skipped, 7, 6 will be skipped, 5, 4 will be skipped, 3, it will be as it is, 2 will be skipped, and 1. So output will be 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. So 9, 7, 5, 3 and 1. Clear with this? Okay. Now if you want to select entire list, then so at that time we will go with the copy function. Copy method can be used to copy the entire list from one place to another place, or from one list to another list. Let's have some more example of slicing and let's make it more interesting. So let's print L1 so we can have idea that how slicing can be used. So this is our list. Now let's try some another method. Print L1 of -4 and then nothing. Now what will be the meaning of this? Meaning of this, it will Python interpreter will go to position number, let's say -1, -2, -3, -4, and from -4 it will go forward and take all the element. Clear? So as you can see, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Index of 16 is -1, -2, -3 and -4. So starting index is -4, and we have not specified ending index, so by default it will go right side, and we have not specified the step also, so then also it will go right side. Similarly, if you want to work with negative index, then you can try various example. Let's try another approach. Let's say print L1 of 5 to -2. What will be output? So it will start with index 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here it will start 5, and then it will go up to -1 and -2. So higher limit is non-inclusive, so it won't be considered. Let's see what we are getting in output. As I told you, it will start with the index 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will start with index 5, and then it will go up to -2. So what is a -2 position? -1 and -2. And as we have discussed, this is non-inclusive range, so it will not consider 15. Clear with this? So this is what you can say slicing. Okay, and this is the one of the most interesting feature of Python, and this is the beauty of this language, why people are preferring this language as an production level language. And in recent survey it is also observed that at many places Java and .NET like languages are getting replaced by Python. So now in introductory video we have discussed that Python is very easy to understand and it will improve the productivity of developers. So by looking at these lines of code, you can see that how it can be helpful to the developer. So still there are lots of things that we can discuss in slicing, but for this tutorial or for this concept we will keep slicing up to this. Okay, in next tutorial we will discuss some more data types of Python. Thank you.